Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. It's Monday. It's Monday. So what's really happening on the economic calendar since it's Monday? We can see that we don't really have much. We don't really have much. There are so many, but not what we actually trade. You see? So I can see that we have Bailey's going to speak already or later on. Not really important for us. Tuesday we have CPI, very important actually from Canada. FOMC meeting later on around 9 p.m. tomorrow. Unemployment claims on Wednesday. PMIs for the whole day actually on Thursday. And on Fridays we also have PMI from the US. Simple as that. So today is just going to be some quick updates or quick analysis as we did our weekly analysis yesterday. So yeah, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. So what's really happening? Yes, we are, since we broke out of that uptrend, it shows that the market is now pushing to the lower side. This is a DXY, sorry, this is dollar index, or you can call it a dollar. So which means the dollar is losing some strength, and which is actually good. Obviously, the likes of Euro USD, Gbpusd, they will be pushing to the upside. And if you still remember, they are on that uptrend. So this is good. This is good. Maybe later on we will see the market even pushing even lower. And also the likes of US30 Nasdaq, we are expecting to see them pushing to the upside. So GBP, JPY, what's really happening? Since we had a very quick breakout, the market is now showing us that it's about to push to the upside. But where we are now, I can see a reversal. So I don't know if maybe this, let's just remove this. I think we were in a trade actually last Friday. If it's not Friday, yeah, obviously it's Friday, not Thursday. So we're going to have structures like this. So if the market doesn't already, the market did not really stop here, so which means maybe the market will end up respecting this area before pushing to the upside. Yes, it's reasonable. If you check this bullish momentum, it was like seriously crazy. So the market one way or another has to reverse. The market run, breathe, something like that. So I'm expecting maybe to see the market respecting this zone. If not, maybe the market will be pushing to the lower side again. But I don't really see that happening. Remember, if you still remember on Sunday, I said the market will end up creating proper structures that we're going to connect nicely. Now, the market was on this aggressive push to the upside, but the market has to give us a proper support area that we can connect going further. Yes, we are on an uptrend, but one way or another, the market wasn't going to go straight like that. So this might be another opportunity for us to do what? To actually have a nice buy. So that's what I see there. That's what I see. So since it's Monday, we're not going to entertain the market that much. We're not going to play around the market. What we can do is to just analyze the market and see what's really happening. GBP USD, what's really happening? Quite straightforward. You can see the market was going down for quite some time. We had a breakout. So this breakout shows us that, you know what? Yes, and now the market is about to do what? To push the upside. So we see the market is pushing to the upside. We did smash that. So let's see. I did not really take this one. I think I was eating on AUD USD. So there we can mark that area as a potential resistance. That it's actually a potential resistance. So there is a chance for the market to break here. But I saw a candlestick respecting that. So the market might play around before we see another push. If not, we might see a breakout instantly. Then we can actually scale up when the market breaks here. If maybe we're in a trade around this area, so it means we can have another buy once the market breaks this resistance, so that we can continue buying, pushing to the upside, because it's straightforward. Once the market is on this uptrend, our job is to continue buying, because the market is going in our favor, or in the direction that we said the market is going to go. So to take advantage of that is to scale up, is to add more positions. If you don't really, if you are not confident with adding those positions, you can close and open the other ones as long as the market is still on that trend. So now what's really happening on Euro USD? Quite straightforward. I missed this one because the market actually broke out, but it's quite straightforward. You can see that the market was going down, the market broke out here. We had a very nice retest. Where we are now, we are just broken out of the structure, but even on Friday it was already broken out. So unfortunately I did not really see this small reversal, but I'm not going to chase the market. I will wait for the market to give me something before I jump on the market. Where we are now, we are on a very big high. I can't say we overbought. This is still fresh. So, but the reversal might be needed. We need a reversal before we have a proper buy. Where we are, it's still a good entry, or sorry, it's good entry because we just broke out of this resistance. So I'm expecting the market to do what? To keep pushing to the upside. That's what I'm expecting. But we just have to wait and see. It's still Monday. The market, you can buy here and later on the market goes against you. So don't actually be like, don't have FOMO, fear of missing out. Relax, wait for the market to reverse or retest before you think about getting into any trade or something. Now we are on gold. What's really happening on gold? Gold has been pushing up for quite some time, but on top of there, it seems like the market reached some, obviously, a sort of a structure that we can call a resistance. You can see it makes sense. It makes sense. We don't really have to force that. You can see it just makes sense. So now, since this makes sense, it seems like the market has to do what? Push slower. But we just have to relax and see, because the market was going up aggressively. So where we're going to wait, it's here. You see on this support, if the market goes below that area, then we are ready to sell. Or if the market comes back around this zone, we are ready to sell. So, but it's difficult to sell when dollar index is also selling, because the dollar is weak. I thought maybe the dollar, gold was going to push up because dollar index is weak, but it's the opposite. So, but we need to adjust. We have to adjust with the market. Things change along the way in the market. So we have to evolve slowly with the market. Sometimes things like this though will happen. So, but what we're waiting here is we can't. Yeah, if we buy, it means it's gonna be just hit and run, because whatever that we saw from this area, it shows that we are actually on a downtrend. So buying here, it will be sort of selfish or not following the rules. So maybe we might wait for the market to reach this area. If it doesn't really break, we might jump with that and look for that sell. Or maybe the market will break this area. You see that we had that area before. You can see even around this area. So the market was creating this sort of resistance or support. So if the market breaks that, then we will say now it's time to do what? To continue with the trend. If not, we'll just have to wait for the market to break this trend. Simple as that. No need to complicate things. So now we are on US30. US30 still waiting since Friday. The market has been struggling to break that area. You can see we were on a very nice downtrend. Breakout happened there. The market pushed up. I think maybe we're going to have some sort of a reversal to have some momentum. The market has to refill that momentum before we shoot to the upside. I think the market is struggling. Here, the market is quite struggling. But anyways, we will wait for the market to break this resistance. Then we can jump on that buy. If not, it means the market might have to come back and retest before we see a push to the upside. If I zoom, let me guys just go on a daily time frame. Maybe you will see that on the daily time frame. You will see that the market, we have like 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 20 hours of resistance. It's 4 hours. Oh, sorry. Yeah, it's 4 hours. Not 4 hours. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 4 days where the market was just respecting this area. It's not really breaking out. If we go back, yeah, it still makes sense. We have something there. But since the market gave us something, we don't really want to fill all this chart with the lines, unnecessary lines, where we can just start where we are. We can just draw that there. So if the market breaks that, yes, we're going to look for a buy. If not, maybe the market will try to do what? To retest before we push to the upside. Simple as that. We don't really have to mess the chart with so many lines. So for those who wants to be part of the team, for those who wants to be part of the team, there is it, guys. Those are our services. Those are our services. But as you know, we have the special. Or actually that is packages, not package. So 6 month or 150. If you want the discount, you can discount yourself 12 months lifetime. So which means, for those who don't really understand, it means that you have the freedom to give yourself the discount. You can say, Kenzo, I only have 200, I only have 300 or 2 something, I only have $90 or something. At least you will be saving something. Then you will be charging yourself, you see. So if you want to be part of the team, here is the QR code. Scan that, then you can talk to me on WhatsApp, or just use the number or the link on the description. Then you can be part of the team. So let's complete this. Let's go on Nasdaq. So on Nasdaq, we are still on that daily time frame. What's really happening? Quite straightforward, quite similar to what we saw on US30. You can see the market was moving like that. So here the market was struggled to break, to push lower, and broke out. So you see that on top there we had a very nice resistance. So where we are, we're just waiting for the market to do what? To give us a proper breakout. You can see it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, almost 5 days where the market was struggling to break that. And you might not think maybe it's 5 days, because we've been buying very nice. So you can see that we did not really have some proper trades after we saw this breakout. So but once the market breaks this area, it's our time to do what? To look for a continuation of a buy. You saw that DXY or dollar index, it's actually pushing lower. So it gives the likes of Nasdaq, US30 the chance to breathe and push to the upside. If not, maybe we'll see them respecting or coming back to retest. Then maybe we can say maybe later on, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, then it's where we're going to see the market pushing up. But it seems like the market is going towards that breakout. Then we're gonna have something like that. So we can't just jump where it is, because the market can reverse. Already there's a resistance there. So the market might act like it's pushing up and respect that area and push lower. Then you will be saying that, oh, you see what? I saw this broker was just waiting for me. But no, you were the one who were not ready. You did not really understand what the market was doing, or you did not really wait for your strategy or for the market to get out of that, or to intersect with that resistance. You just jumped early. It's not like the broker. Simple as that. So anyways, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. This is Kenzo, Xtrahot Forex. See you on the next one. Bye.